Okay, now I'm at the point where I'm just taking off this board here. I've now cut it away with the knife, and so all the attachments are gone. And there it is. I would say that had a little water damage. So we know that there was water coming through, obviously, because that's no surprise, because we had water seeping onto the floor. Question is that water damaged? Did it somehow seep through to the plywood underneath and giving us the ugly soft spots? That's what we don't know. So we're gonna try to figure that out. There's some gross stuff in there. Sometimes the camera can see things that you cannot. And I think Airstream will send me this piece, so that's the good news. We should be able to make that, or man, this is so soft and gross, it's just not sturdy anymore. Surprise, surprise. Let's see what else we can see inside here. With a little bit of light. Smells pretty musty. No big surprise. But is the wood compromised down there? Possible. Very possible. Seeped into that little hole, maybe. Well, maybe I have to go to the next level. Take this sucker off. Time to put some gloves on.